Hey viewers, so I'm gonna make a video of all of my fire alarm strobes that I have. I have 7 strobes. I have a speaker strobe, 3 horn strobes, and 3 remote strobes. So that makes 7. If you guys like these alarms, you can get some online, and if you wanted some like these. So, thank you. Enjoy this video. Anyways, let's get started. So, first we have this white Gentex Commander 4 remote strobe. The model number is GCS24CW. And I'm going to take this off real quick, so I can show you what candela it's at. I have it at 15 candela. Yeah, I know this is a little bit dusty. I might need to clean it because I kept keeping this. And up next, we have the red version of that. This is a Gentex Commander 4 horn strobe. The model number is GCC24CR. And I have this one set at 75 candela. See, these alarms look really similar. Up next, we have a Gentex speaker strobe. Model number is S3PK24-7VR. See, the indoor use only. So, I think lots of YouTubers have this. So, Fire Alarm Dude has this device. So, Fire Alarm Dude, please send me the link to this video after this video's done. Anyways, let's continue. So, up next, we have my system sensor, Spectral Advanced P4A horn strobe. And I have it set at 1575 candela. And you can... So here's the candela selector. Focus. There we go. And here's the tone selection. I do have it set at code 3 low volume. And up next, we have my system sensor. Oh, why is this lens closing so? We have the system sensor SR remote strobe. There's the candela selector. I have it set at, focus, maybe if I, 1575 candela. Yep, that's where this alarm is set at. It's like this one, but this one is just strobe and this one is a horn strobe. And up next, we have my Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe in red. The model number is GEC3-24WR. It's easy to take off with one hand. See? My school has these alarms. Last but not least, we have this white Gentex Commander 2 remote strobe. It's like this one, but the model number is GES24-1575WW. And once again, also easy to take off with one hand. This is a remote strobe. That's a horn strobe. This one is multi-candela. Like, see this one right here? It's multi-candela too. And these two right here, they're also multi-candela. And this one is multi-candela too. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this collection of fire alarms. That will be it.